I'm gonna enjoy my cake. Without you're invited to my birthday party. Why not to me?
All of you are invited to my birthday. Basta magkakaroon pagkain niyo.
What about drum? Drum fit.
I only have there's only one cake. There's only one cake. What if this is my
Ano to? Yung, ano tawag dun sa sa white zombie na may daladalang archer?
Imagine a drum.
No, that's not a zombie, that's a skeleton.
Ah, skeleton.
It's only called skeleton.
Bobo kasi ni kuya mo.
Ako short lang. Short lang.
Diba, Zoe?
Ano naglalaro pa ito? Patay na ako ito.
Pwede my cake.
Siya tanongin mo, siya kausap mo.
Magkapag-alala na dyan, parang
Happy birthday.
Nagugutom ka, siya tanongin mo eh.
Wala, ang kapal ni kuya mo. Abnormal.
Oh, I got it my cake by myself.
Bahala ka dira.
Okay, go to my birthday party. I invite you.
Ah?
But there's only one seat I put. Huh?
What?
Only one seat I put because I only afford one. I don't have a house. So
Ano ba
I
hinahanap ko dito? Ang ganda naman ka mo nitong na to, place na to. Sige, Zoe, dyan ka. Sa survival ko to yun.
gusto ko din maglaro ng Minecraft.
Zo, sumali. Mag-isa ka.
My sister and my brother's girlfriend are playing Minecraft
Ano girlfriends? Wipes?
on their phone.
On their phone?
Why not it's getting dark? Why is it not getting dark at yours?
Where is it?
I don't mind.
I'm in my house.
House? Where's your house?
Yeah.
Where is
It's
it?
in the mountain. It's a mushroom.
Wait. Where is Zola?
Really?
Wait. I know. To locate your place.
How do you do that? It's getting dark.
Wait lang, baby.
Yeah.
Are you gonna find me? How are you gonna find me with the mat? Just let me in the mushroom here.
Wait.
It's gonna be hard.
I could go.
Oh.
Oh, there's not one. There's not.
Zilla, could you give me Tashi, please?
Really? Does she? So fluffy? Does she so
Ayan.
Yeah, okay.
I found you, Zilla.
Not me.
Ano?
I'm top a mountain.
Yes. I know.
Oh, dear, look. That's my location. And the man.
There was a... Is it?
Say good morning. So you can see me.
Hi.
Huh?
Patay na.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's no
Is
service about that.
Tashi's sister there? Yes.
Yum,
Alright.
yum. Let's eat some cake. Oh no,
No, you left the group.
I didn't. It just forced me to.
There's no walang signal, Zoe.
I should join in again. But
Parang pwede pa naman maglaro ng ganyan, te.
Hindi ko alam kung paano eh. Connect, lang kasi ito na connecting server lang kasi ito.
Yung local?
Sa internet lang ba? Inviting. Ko alam kung paano. Dati kasi alam ko kung paano eh. Dati, basta naka-hotspot lang yung isa.
Try ko.
Wait lang.
I'm going to clean my